Hi guys, this is Meenakshi. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing and review of an Einstein box. Before we talk about the Einstein box, guys, I would like to tell you that we upload new video every Saturday and sometime 2 in a week, and have created different playlists. You can go and check them also. Now coming back to this video and to tell a bit about these Einstein boxes, they are the educational pack of toys and books for kids and are available for different age groups. These boxes can be bought as single or in packs. This video is particularly about Einstein box, which is for kids between 2 to 3 years old. Now let's open the box and check out the things we have got in it. Before we proceed ahead in the video, please note that this is not a sponsored video. The MRP of this box is rupees 999 and there was a 40% discount when we purchased it, so we got it for rupees 595. To begin with, the presentation of the Einstein box gets a special mention here as it is received in a very good condition and is very well packed. The first thing which we see here is the Hello Parents card, which can be a help for the parents with the guidelines. Then this is the thank you card. Here I am showing you the first book, which is about alphabets, counting, shapes and colors. The quality of the book is very good. It is made of thick board and is tear resistant. Then this is the second book, which is a story book. You can read it for your child and make it a fun interactive activity for the child. Let's now see what we have here in this first bag. These are the flashcards to teach kids about alphabets and pictures. Quite nice. Other bag, we have some more flashcards to teach kids about animals and their babies. This can also be a fun matching activity for the little ones and much more to that. Now this is the reward chart which you can use to encourage your child to take interest in this learning process. This reward chart can be used multiple times as it is a wipe clean chart, so you can wipe it off and you can use it again. And here we have this sticker craft set. This sticker set has 2 sets of stickers, 6 base stickers of tree, grass, bush, peacock, giraffe and tortoise, and small circle stickers which kids would be using to paste on the base stickers. Overall, I think this is a very good gift for the little ones. All these activities will bring joy to them and improve their time away from gadgets, at least for some time. If you also liked it and want to buy, then check out the Amazon link given in the description. Also, if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment box if you want to see more learning kit unboxing videos in the future. Thank you for watching.